I got a box today. I've been waiting on this. It was supposed to arrive yesterday from StyleKorean.com, which is where I order a lot of my K-beauty supplies. I really like them. They have great deals like every week. So I'm usually placing orders. I also got my hair cut today. Tara was doing my hair the other day and she said that I had a whole bunch of split ends, so they're gone and my hair feels so much shorter. But I burned my scalp at SeaWorld yesterday. I didn't bring my sun hat, which I should have. So my head hurts. So this is good. It makes me feel happy that I got something good. So everything comes packaged up like this, which is neat. It's better than a whole bunch of confetti papers. Let's see what I got. First, I got this lip mask. It's the Avocado Cica Relief Lip Balm from Freedia. And it's a little honey pot and a little one of those. I have a couple of them already. I love Korean carrot lip masks. My favorite one so far has been this one. It is so soft and it goes on so good. Feels so wonderful. This one is Tokobo Vita Glaze Lip Mask. So good. I have an extra one. Put away. I like the Tokobo products. Next up is a low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser by CosRx. If you look at the back, it's written a lot in Korean. Now, how do I translate that? I can go into Google Translate and I can take a photo. Then it'll sometimes translate the whole thing for you, or you can click on a word and it'll translate it. So it is pretty neat. But some of them also have English also written on it. This is a low pH formula to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without stripping feeling. So I do like the CosRx. They're really good. So yay me. I also got the Riedel Shot 100. So if you haven't used one of these yet, it's really neat. They've sent me samples of this, so I've been able to use the samples. And how it goes is you put it on after you cleanse, before you put on your serums and all, and it helps to penetrate it. An exosome, I believe is what it's called. So this is the Riedel Shot 100. It goes up from there. No, actually it goes down to 50, and then 100, I think 300, 500, 700, 1,000, 1,500. So you can increase it up as you use it if you want to. I have a sneeze coming on. We'll see what happens with it. So this was on sale for $1. So I was like, yeah, they've sent me little packets of this, which I have in my travel bag, so I can use that whenever I go places, which is nice too. Okay, and then this is the rest of what I ordered. I thought I ordered more. Let's see. This is just to help me open things. It's a little face spatula, but I like it whenever I open up the tabs and stuff because I don't like to pop my nails off because they're not glued on. Oh, neat. Okay, so there's a brand called Fwee, F-W-E-E, Fwee. It's really cute. This is what it looks like. Okay, I keep my favorite lip stuff up here so I can just grab it easy, right? So this is Fwee Pudding Pot, and this one is the shade Baby. And they have a silicone lip brush. Now, Jeffree Star did a review thing on it, and he really liked it too. So I had got it, and it's really awesome. But the silicone lip brush is different from other lip brushes due to the fact that it's like a little finger. So you can finger and finger, but why use your finger when you could buy something and use that instead, right? So I'll show you how it works. So you can go dub, dub, dub. It's on there. Da, 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 da. Now I had just put a lip mask on before him. See, look how nice that looks. My finger doesn't get all gross and colored. I like that so much. It's so pretty. So that's Fwee, F-W-E-E, not F-R-E. And then there, I just wiped it back off, and I can cap it so it doesn't get gross. I like that. I think that baby shade is so pretty. Because I ordered the Fwee, I also got a Fwee Pudding Pot Travel. Now, I have one of these in my fanny pack, usually. And what I did is I scooped up, using that type of spatula, but clean, Well, this type of spatula to clean. I scooped up some and it filled it into here. So there's a little mirror. It's a little keychain. So you can use it. You can use it as a blush. You can use it as an eyeshadow. You can use it for contouring. You can use it for whatever. But this one is pink. So I also have a light pink one, and then the other light pink one is the one I'm using because I do like free products, especially when they give me free products. Ha ha ha. Here is that Riedel 100 travel size. So this is good for one shot, and so I'll put that on whenever I do travel. Well, I use those ones whenever I do travel. Okay, what's next? Misha Magic Cushion Moist Up number 23. I never know if I'm getting the right color shades whenever I order from online, and I can't return them. So I do have some of the tier cushions. I have the big one. I have the small travel size one. And on this one, I really like number 23N, which is sand. So I wanted to try this one. And how the cushion foundations work is, and I actually have stuff, I make my own cushion foundation from my different foundations. So I get a custom blend that I like. So I peeled it off, and that's how it is. Put that there. And then I can go bling bling. And then you take it off on there, and then you try it. Like I said, we did go to SeaWorld yesterday. I did get a little too much sun on my scalp. That looks good. Okay, I picked a good color. Yay, maybe 23N is my my Korean foundation color. Okay. I'm not going to do a full face. I just wanted to see if the color was a good match, and it looks good. So yay. So this is from Misha. Misha is what I'm going to assume it is. And 23 doesn't have N or anything, but it's a cushion moist up. Okay. This is a niacinamide vitamin C brightening mask. So how Korean Beauty has containers like this. And this has 30 of the little paper masks that you put on, and I can't put on because I just put this on, so I'm gonna have to wash my face for evening anyway. I didn't do any makeup today. I just did skincare and sunscreen. Brightening 2% niacinamide, 1,000 ppm of vitamin C daily sheet mask for bright and clear skin. I have a few of them. I do like this brand, Mary and May. It's a great brand, and it looks like that. So you open it up. You can use the little plastic tweezers, and you pull out one sheet mask at a time. You open up and you put it on, and you let it sit for 5, 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes if you get into a TV show and you forget to take it off. Right after cleansing, take out the mask, rest, and then you can pat in anything that wasn't absorbed. I like them. They're really nice. Picked up Mary and May. This is the Marine Collagen. This is one of their serums. I have not used this yet. So the Marine Collagen, Youth and Glow Hydrolyzed Collagen, 99%, fragrance free. So this would go in with my skincare stuff that would get put on during the serum process, during the serum times, or it's gonna go in my drawer so I can use it at some point in the future. Am I missing anything on here? It's hard to read sometimes because it's small and white, and I'm not gonna go get my readers. Take an appropriate amount and at the essence or ampule stage of your skincare routine and apply evenly to the skin. Makes sense. Here's another Mary and May, Niacinamide Plus. It's niacinamide 2%. Okay, so this came with the mask. Okay, so I could put this on, and then I could put the mask on, and then it gets like double absorbed. And I don't like to get the boxes just because they take up extra space, and it's harder to tell what it is that I have. So I got the Niacinamide Plus. I'm not as wild about the dropper. I like the little pump better, but it's okay. I got 3 of the CosRx pimple patches. Acne Pimple Master Patch CosRx. It's 24 patches in each one. And I think all 3 of them were $8.50 total. So I do have those. I was running low. I had got one from TikTok Shop and I wasn't as wild about it. It didn't seem to do anything. And sometimes I'll get the pimples underneath. I'm like, ooh, I just had one here. The good pimple patches, get rid of it so much faster. So I like CosRx. I like the Mighty Patch. So I'll do those. Also came with this, a little free sample. I think this one was free. Could be wrong, but I think this one was free. Mary and May ID-Benoin and Blackberry Complex Serum. Youth and Glow. It has the ID-Benoin, 1000 ppm, Blackberry Complex 20%, and it's fragrance free. Now I do have one of the Blackberry ones that I'm currently using in my skincare routine. I don't know if it's this one or not, but that's the vial that it looks like. And to compare, these are the normal vials. These ones have 1.01 ounce or 30 mil, and this is 10 mil. So basically it's 1/3 of an ounce. Okay. That looks like everything that I got from this order of StyleKorean. They do include a little sheet with what I ordered, and so, but it's written again in Korean, which is neat. So I'll sometimes go through it like, okay, niacinamide serum, okay, the pimple patches, okay, 3 of them, yep. A couple things I don't know what it is, so I try to figure it out, or I just pull up my order and I look at it that way. I thought I got a box of something though, so I'm gonna log in and see. But that was my order from StyleKorean. I do not have a code. If you want to try it, I like it. If you order, I think $60, you get free shipping. And the shipping's usually within a week. I have it at my doorstep, which is nice. So if you guys want to see more Korean beauty content or dog content or service dog content or Disney content or the parks, follow. I do a lot of stuff.